G'day, here's 3 pieces of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, materials been wetted. These have been heavily tumbled in that they're fairly rounded. The edges. It's got nice sun flashing up by the looks. There. Oh yeah, he's picking it up occasionally, the red flash there. This side looks bluey green up the top here. Rest in peace. It's coming up red flash there, but there's also greens. Ultraviolet green down the bottom here. See little bars of colour across there. Something like that I just polish. Again, it's been heavily tumbled. There's that green that I like more evident in this piece. I don't know how far that band goes. It disappears over here, but whether it goes back in underneath, only grinding up will tell you. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.